Hi children, welcome back to our channel Bhavyas Kids Tutorial. Please subscribe to our channel. Children, today we will learn about one beautiful story, one moral story, that is Wolf and the Crane. So for narrating that story, I am making a props for that story, that is Stick Puppet. This is a wolf and this is a crane. Okay, let's start. Once upon a time there was a big forest. In that forest a wolf was enjoying a nice meal. So when it enjoying a nice meal, a bone got stuck in his throat. He was in terrible pain. He tried to take it out several times but failed. He asked his friends for help, but no one could get out bone. Finally, Fox went to the crane for help. Okay, so Fox told that I will give you anything if you take this bone out of my throat, said the wolf. So the crane agreed to help. She asked the wolf to keep his mouth wide open. She put her long beak inside the mouth of the wolf. So put her beak inside the wolf's mouth and pulled out the bone. So here is the bone. So when she asked for a reward, so finally he pulled the bone. So crane asked the wolf for reward. So when she asked the reward, the wolf get angry. The wolf grinned and said, "You placed your head inside a wolf's mouth and yet you are alive. Isn't that a reward? Isn't that a reward? You greedy fellow, go away from this place. Otherwise, I will crush you." Okay, so the crane, disappointed crane, go away. So, what is the moral of the story, children? The moral: don't expect gratitude or reward from wicked people. Yes? Okay. Thanks for watching, children. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel Bhavyas Kids Tutorial. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.